Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix your Windows 7 system is too outdated. Please install KB4534310 Roblox error. Let's fix it guys. Just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select this view by to category and select system and security and select the system. And in here in system type you can able to see your system bit. Note down your system bit guys. After note downing it, just to check my video description for this link. Just select the link and this will open up the site. After opening it, as you can see, this is Windows 7 and this is Windows 7. In those two section, you just need to find your system bit guys. In my case I have x64 system bit, so I'm downloading this option. If in your case you have x32 bit operating system, then select the download option over here. So I'm downloading this. Select this link to start download. After getting download done, click on it and install it. Select the yes option to install it. And after the installation done, just to close stuff here and check my description for this second link. Just to select the link and this will open up this site. And after opening the site, as you can see, same thing, Windows 7 2 option available. We just need to find your system bit guys. This is for x64 bit system and this is for x32 bit system. And in my case I have x64, so I'm downloading this. Select this link to start download. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it. Select the yes option to install it. After the installation done, just close stuff here. And if you get a pop-up to restart your PC, restart it. After that, select the add link and click on it, and this will open up this site. As you can see, same thing, Windows 7. Just need to select it, depends on your system bit. This is for 32-bit operating system and this is for 64-bit operating system. So in my case I have 64, so I'm selecting this download option. Select this link and start download. After getting download and click on it and install it. Select the yes option to install it. After the installation complete, just to close stuff here and now close stuff here as well, and select the fourth link and this site will open up. You're opening the fourth link. As you can see, same thing, Windows 7, Windows 7. Select it, it depends on your operating system. This is for 32-bit operating system. Select the download option. This is for x64-bit operating system. So Windows 7. Select the download option. So in my case, I have 64, so I am downloading this. Select this link and it will start downloading. After getting download and click on it and install it. And after this installation done, just close stuff here, and if you get a pop-up to restart your PC, restart it guys. After the restart done, you can play the Roblox without having any problem. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.